You have definitely seen this type of video on YouTube.
Building luxury mansions in the jungle with bare hands. No talking, yet easily getting tens of millions of views. This is the most profitable niche on YouTube right now, survival ASMR. And here is the secret. What you are looking at is 100% fake. Just look at this channel. Only 6 videos uploaded and a single video hit over 10 million views. That is easily $20,000 a month in passive income. No face, no camera, and best of all, no mosquitoes. But here is the trap. The easy money era is dead. You can't just type a prompt and expect millions of views anymore. Channels like this are setting a new standard that beginners can't reach. If you want a slice of this massive pie, you need to level up. So in this video, I'm not just teaching you how to create these AI survival ASMR videos from scratch. I'm also revealing the immersive detail and sound design secrets that 90% of beginners miss, so you can build a channel that actually makes money. For a survival in the wild theme, the first thing we need is a main character. And this is where most beginners already go wrong. They generate random scenes with random people, and then wonder why their videos feel disconnected. Consistency is not optional. It's the difference between a hobby project and a monetizable channel. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use my own photo as a reference image. Upload it into Flow, click Create Image, choose Nano Banana Pro, set the ratio to 16:9, and you can generate up to 4 images at once. And here's something important. Using Nano Banana inside Flow doesn't consume any credits. Then enter your prompt, mainly describing the outfit and the survival environment. Keep it clear, keep it cinematic. Now we have our outdoor survival protagonist. Download the image, because from this point forward, every single storyboard shot must be generated based on this character to maintain visual consistency. And trust me, consistency is what separates amateur AI videos from channels that quietly generate 5 figures a month. Now let's generate the storyboard. And this is where 90% of AI creators fail. They think in single images. But viral survival ASMR channels think in sequences. Instead of using the common method most tutorials teach, we're going to use something much more powerful. The 9-grid technique. 1 structured prompt, 9 continuous cinematic frames. But here's the reality. If you want 9 high-quality immersive frames in one generation, a simple one-line prompt will never work. You need structure, you need shot logic, you need progression. This is the exact prompt structure I spent a long time testing. The one with the highest consistency success rate. It includes: rewrite the prompt depending on your survival scenario. Design the storyboard progression logically. What types of shots must be included for immersion to avoid visual randomness that kills watch time? Because immersion is what keeps people watching, and watch time is what makes money. If you want to try this yourself, I'll share this document with you for free. Just copy the prompt template and paste it into Gemini. Gemini will generate the fully structured storyboard prompts for you in one go. Now, let's copy one of them. Go back to Flow, upload the reference image, paste the prompt, keep the other settings unchanged, and click Generate. You'll get one single image containing all 9 frames. The character remains consistent. The lighting feels connected. The environment evolves naturally. This is how you fake realism properly. However, if we want high-quality video generation later, we need to upscale each frame to at least 1K resolution. And this is another step beginners usually ignore, and it ruins their final result. Here's what we do next. Upload the 9-grid image back into Flow. Then enter this prompt. Extract the first image from the first row of the 3x3 grid. Click Generate. Repeat this method to extract every frame you need. Once all frames are separated and upscaled, we move to the most important stage of the entire workflow. And this is where most beginners completely destroy their project. Video generation. Now we go back to Gemini. Upload the 9-grid image from the first stage. Then open the document I shared, copy this specific prompt section. If you want to create a survival ASMR video that actually hooks viewers, 3 things cannot be missing: camera movement, action rhythm, and sound design. Miss one of them, and your video instantly feels flat. So we paste the prompt here. Gemini will now generate 9 fully structured video prompts, 1 for each storyboard frame, in a single output. No guessing, no improvising. Now let's copy one of them. Go back to Flow and select Frame to Video. Upload the first extracted frame from your 9-grid. Paste the video prompt. Set the ratio to 16:9. Choose the VO 3.1 model. Then click Generate. And just like that, you get a cinematic survival shot. Download it. Now repeat this process for the remaining frames. Once all clips are generated, technically, you could just drag everything into CapCut, arrange them in order, export, and you'd already have something that looks like this. But to keep viewers watching, we need more sound detail. Because the core of this niche is ASMR. If you skip this step, your survival channel will never scale. Let me show you something. Here's a clip with almost no sound detail. Now here's the exact same clip, but with layered environmental audio. The difference? Sound is what keeps people staring at the screen for 8 minutes straight. So how do we improve it? It's actually simple. Inside your base video prompt, clearly specify the sound elements you want. For example, in this scene, I added soft breathing, cicadas in the distance, gentle wind movement, and leaves brushing against each other. Small details, but huge impact. Let's compare. From just pencil scratching to a fully layered environment. Doesn't it immediately feel more immersive? That immersion is what increases watch time. Now here's another mistake beginners make. They build everything in the same jungle, and eventually, viewers get bored. If every video looks identical, growth stops. So instead of only building luxury mansions in a tropical rainforest,
Why not build an ice house in the snow? Or stack massive stone structures on a mountain peak? Or construct an underwater palace? You could even settle on Mars before Elon Musk does.
the point is, unlocking new environments is what keeps your channel evolving. And if you want access to a massive variety of environments, visual styles, and reference inspirations without manually testing dozens of tools, platforms like OpenArt make that process much faster. You can experiment with cutting-edge models as soon as they launch, and sometimes achieve VO3 level results at just a fraction of the cost. It's not mandatory, but for creators who want to scale this niche, having access to broader creative flexibility is a serious advantage. If this video gave you a clearer path into survival ASMR, That's all I wanted. This niche rewards structure, detail, and consistency, not luck. If you're serious about building with AI, subscribe. More real workflows coming soon. See you in the next one.